Hey guys, welcome back. Most affiliate marketers and small business owners make the same expensive mistake. They finally get their first Facebook sale, then immediately increase the budget because they think they have found a winning ad. A few days later, the sales disappear and the money keeps burning. So the truth is, one sale doesn't mean the ad is a winner. It simply means the ad deserves more testing. So in this lesson, I will show you the validation process experienced media buyers use before they ever think about scaling a campaign. So by the end of this video, you will know how to separate a lucky sale from a winning Facebook ad. So let's get started. Let's say you have been testing several Facebook ad creatives. After a few days, one of them finally generates its first sale. The first reaction for most beginners is, "Great, I found a winner," right? Not so fast. One sale is only the beginning. Think of it this way. One sale could simply be luck. So as you can see here, this is my first sale when I started my affiliate marketing promoting Clickbank product. So 2 or 3 sales start becoming a pattern. Our goal is to identify repeatable patterns that can become profitable over time. That's the difference between guessing and making data-driven decisions. So let's look at a simple example here. Imagine you're testing 6 different creatives. Everything else stays exactly the same. Same audience, same headline, same ad copy, landing page, and same offer. So the only variable you are testing is the creative. After several days, your results look like this. Creative 1, no sales. Creative 2, no sales. But Creative 3 got 1 sale. Creative 4, 5, and 6, no sales. So at first glance, Creative 3 looks like the winner. But is it really? Not yet. One sale tells us only one thing. This creative deserves further validation. So here's exactly what I recommend. Don't change everything. Leave the audience exactly the same. Leave the headline the same. Keep the ad copy the same. And don't touch the landing page. And don't even change the offer. Remember, one of the most important rules in Facebook advertising is test only one variable at a time. So since Creative 3 generated the first sale, continue running it until it reaches your predetermined kill point. So you need time to collect some data. So watch for a second sale and then a third sale. So continue monitoring your key performance indicators while staying below your break-even point. As more conversions come in, your confidence increases that the creative is producing repeatable results instead of random success. That's what validation looks like. So what happened after validation? So once Creative 3 consistently generates profitable sales, you can confidently call it your winning creative. Now it's time to move to the next variable that you want to test. So keep the winning creative exactly the same. So this time, you can test different audiences. For example, you want to test woman 35 plus, woman 45 plus, or let's say 1% look-alike audience from your product vendor. Or you can also test interest-based audiences. So again, everything else remain unchanged. So only one audience changes. Now, once you have identified the strongest audience, move to the next variable that you want to test. So you can test different headlines, landing page, ad copy, hooks, or different offers. So this systematic approach allows you to improve your campaign one step at a time. So I want you to remember this simple framework. Step 1 is get your first sale. Step 2 is validate that it wasn't just luck. Step 3 is keep the winning variable. And step 4, test the next variable. So every profitable Facebook campaign is built one winning variable at a time. So don't rush to scale after your first sale. Be patient. Let the data prove you have found a real winner. When you're disciplined during the validation stage, you will have far more confidence when it's time to increase your budget and scale your campaign. If this lesson helped and you would like to learn the complete step-by-step system for total beginners in running Facebook ads, promoting your affiliate product, either from Clickbank or Buy Goods or any affiliate platform, check my course called Affiliate Marketing Mastery. This is about scaling system with Facebook. So in the course, I cover everything from choosing the right offer and setting up your Facebook ad campaign. So you can optimize your affiliate marketing business performance using Facebook ads and scaling with confidence. So the link is in the description below, and I would love to see you inside the course.